Hello, good morning,
Where's my
good
snow?
afternoon to all of you guys.
What's this?
Snorkel.
What's this?
Snorkel. Not snorkel.
Snore.
Snorkel.
Snorkel. Where's my snore?
Hala, I can't pull out my boots.
Because no, I won't play the mud.
Yeah, you can play. While, guys, this is Cordapia in Australia, guys. Look at my son, guys. Today is holiday. School vacation. And look at Tracy, my friend.
Tracy, get out of here. Tracy, get out of here. Please.
I can't pull out my
Give us
boots.
cover back, Mom.
Ante Tracy.
cover?
Ante Tracy. Yeah. You carry the one and then back. You have to go back. And then. See, look. Jeremy, hi. This is Cordapia in Australia. And we're enjoying this area. Lots of oyster. And this is my friend Tracy. I will help you, Tracy. Don't worry. The rescue is coming. The rescue. The rescuer. The rescue. See? Coming. Look. Is that correct? Rescuer?
Yeah. Rescuer. Yeah.
I got it. Look, so muddy. Oh, so muddy. Come here. So muddy. Come here. Sister, coming.